So Navayog Shrestha basically going into the number 9 position, but has to be on the mark.
The midfield battles will be critical. Nepal like to hog all the ball in midfield, and that's what they are doing in the early 3 minutes or so. Another promising run coming in from the left. Great chance, and the ball gets its way into the goal as well. Fantastic finish in the end. And this has led to the scoreline being unlocked from midfield. Tremendous run. And Nepal, just like that, have a 1-0 lead thanks to an outstanding finish.
That was a lovely move. Bit of defensive lapse on the right. Shamila. And watch that brilliant finish.
Advantage played by the referee from Oman. This is a ball slipped through. It's a chance for Bimal Nagar. Comes off the near post. Still a chance. And it's been finished off by Navayog Shrestha. 31st minute strike. What an outstanding goal here. Nepal lead. And you cannot call it against the run of play because they've had lion's share of possession. They've had almost all the shots on goal. And they've finally been rewarded for all this effort here.
Could you believe it? The underdogs, the boys from the Mountain Kingdom have done it because they were showing in flashes. What a brilliant move there. Bimal Nagar, all credit. His left footer striking the upright. Just ricochet, and such a brilliant follow-up there from Navayog Shrestha. That 25-year-old man from army puts Nepal up, and now things are going to be absolutely lively.
Let's take a close look at this. Could it be a own goal perhaps? Because he was looking to make a surprise. Their spirit today. Still looking for that second goal and still looking to press on. Know that the one goal advantage is not enough. Could be a chance here. It is finished off by Vishal Rai. It's 2-0 in favor of Nepal. And a 52nd minute strike from Vishal Rai could just see them through to the finals of the Bangabandhu Gold Cup 2016 presented by AB Bank. What about that, Form Book?
Oh, it's all happening here at the Bangabandhu National Stadium, Dhaka, and nobody in the wildest dream would have thought that Nepal would be up by 2 goals to 0. That was a lovely little flick on and a beautiful finish by Vishal Rai. The goalkeeper had come out of the charge, Faisal, and finally that Robin Shrestha cross. Little bit of flicker from Anjan. And look at that. What a brilliant finish. So Nepal, it's all rocking right now.
This is terrific finishing, just like the first one was, because it's composure under pressure. He saw that the goalkeeper was, especially with the interest from the central concerned. Oh, what a finish in the meantime. Navayog Shrestha with a finish that would have done any top-class footballer around the world proud. It's 3-0 in the 62nd minute. Nepal are going to play in their first Bangabandhu Gold Cup final.
Yes, brilliant stuff from Navayog. He's on a hat-trick now. Just nobody believed that while taking their journey to the stadium. Not even the Nepalese supporters, not even the team, but they have started to believe that really they can do it. What a brilliant ball put in. Navayog beating the defender there, and no chance whatsoever for Qasim Samam. Magar had been a little silent today. Vikram Lama, good forward ball. That could be goal number 4, and that it is. Brilliant stuff there from Navayog Shrestha, and he gets the first hat-trick of the tournament, Bangabandhu International Gold Cup 2016, presented by AB Bank. The first hat-trick in this tournament. Brilliant stuff. Unbelievable. Nepal 4, Maldives 1. Look at that ball, and took it. Little turn with the right foot and a little jab finally. Brilliant work, brilliant, excellent. And Fazal had no chance. Vikram Lama put him through. The defender much away, had no chance there. Qasim Samam, and he gets a hat-trick.
Because he is a left-footed player, so likes playing in that inverted wingers role. Now this comes in for Anjan Bis. Terrific save, but Bimal Nagar scores! In the 5th minute, Nepal have the lead. And can you believe it? It's just impossible to stop the Gurkhalis for scoring at the moment in the Bangabandhu Gold Cup 2016 presented by AB Bank. They like it, don't they? And why wouldn't they? Bimal Nagar notches up his 2nd goal of these championships. First a header from Anjan Bist. Outstanding save from Mahbub Al-Dosari, but tremendous goal poacher's instinct. He was lurking right there. He was just waiting for that ball to fall, and very quick to respond to it was Bimal Magar. And as they say, finders keepers, losers weepers, because he got to that faster than Salem Adil. Navayug right across him. Well won. A chance for Nepal still. Cross sent in, but no player at the end of it. But look at the effort here being put in. Anjan Bist, that's superhuman, into the box. Could this be a chance for Nepal? Cuts it back. Fantastic finish. That is surely game, set and match for them. Nepal have scored their second. And now the Bangabandhu Gold Cup 2016 presented by AB Bank is going all the way back to Kathmandu, ladies and gentlemen. Got to commend them for their effort. Backs to the wall performance. Man sent off as also for Bahrain. But in spite of that, what spirit shown by the Gorkhalis and epitomized by the run from Anjan Bist, who eventually wound up becoming the creator of this goal. Two players converging on the ball. We'll have to watch and confirm. But look at this effort from Anjan Bist. Puts pressure on the left back. Salman Abdullah completely harried. Cuts it back. And a fantastic last bit of touch. And guess who it is? It is yet another touch from that really, really impressive player of theirs. It's Bishal Rai who gets his second goal of the Bangabandhu Gold Cup 2016, presented by Abings. Bikesh Kutu will do much better. Al-Dosari has come way out of his ground. There could be a chance for another goal. It's been turned in. Surely a finisher. It is for Navayug Shrestha. It's a third goal. What an assist from Bimal Kharti Magar. And the Nepal team once again is turning on the style. They are winning this in some emphatic fashion here at the Bangabandhu National Stadium. As far as goals in international football go, this will be one of the very best that you'll ever get to see. Mahbub Al-Dosari was off his line, which is why it needed a pinpoint cross and a good finish as well. Look at that cross from Bimal Magar, and look at the finish from Navayug Shrestha as well. Keeping his wits about him, needed just a decent enough header and right into the center of the goal, because there was no goalkeeper. Even though there was a defender there on the line, it was hit with enough power, enough precision